Hello friends, I completed setting up this super professional and full featured website in just 10 minutes. This is a professional business website for freelance marketplace and I got multiple home page in single demo import that I can choose directly for my website launch. The theme that I used is a very to the point theme for freelance and marketplace job board website, and it is Felan. Felan is a theme that offers multiple layouts, marketplace for freelance marketplace job boards, and you can make a website like Fiverr, Upwork, or the people per hour, even Naukri or fixed job like things. The theme has been developed by Rise Themes and it came into existence a year back, and regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. So I completed the setup. I'll show you all the backend, all the features, the customization options, what I got in this installation and demo import, and how you can simply install this theme and launch your own business for C freelance marketplace or job board systems. So in this video, we are going to overview Felan WordPress theme, which is a all-in-one freelance and marketplace job board WordPress theme, and it offers 16 plus homepage layouts. More importantly, it has internal 50 plus professional design pages, and you can check all the details through the link given in the video description. And you just need to spend $59 for this wonderful and full feature WordPress theme, and you'll get quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, and 6 month support from the Rise team, who are the original theme developers. In addition to this, you can even explore other themes in the same business category at WP Themes website. You can get every service here, like you have growth engine that can help you directly growing your WordPress website, and you have business solutions, hosting, and there are hundreds of themes and plugins to choose and compare. So all the video has been listed here for your convenience. So there are thousands of themes, and yes, we have covered hundreds of themes on this channel itself. Okay, so I'll also show you the back end and the front end of this Freelance WordPress theme. Let us start with the uh, user panels, we can say. So since it is a marketplace website, the user panel and the employer panel is very important, so I'll show you. So you can simply log in to the employer panel or freelancer panel using these credentials available on the screen through the video description link as well. So I'm logging in as employer now. For a moment, so first of all, I'm here at the freelance dashboard. So basically, the job board system and the freelance system is the target that you can avail with the theme and all these setups. So you can launch your even own business website using this theme. So it is a full featured thing. So like my services, the proposals and all such things can be accessed here. So like new services are here, the disputes, the proposals, the messages, my following, my package valid, and the profile identity verification and the settings. So this is like a freelancer thing, and all the modules can be easily availed using this dashboard for a freelancer. So this is a separate login, so it is a user interface basically, and you can also check all these screens using the credentials and that I shown you, right? So if we talk about the backend of this super admin setup of the WordPress installation, so I'll show you all the important things in addition to default WordPress things what we have. So first of all, how many pages we got in this installation is important. So I got 76 published pages along with all the home pages and the employer and rest of pages that can be directly used at the website. Just you need to update your content. And further, I got all the images, and the media library is full with the images, in fact. So the direct and abstract images are here that you can undoubtedly use at your website. So no trouble like thing, and you will be able to use these images at your website pages, even the front end and all. So 522 media items I got in single demo import. So it is a big number. Now, if we talk about the dashboard, this is the Fallen dashboard, and it starts with a welcome screen where you can uh, uh, do the basic things. Further, we have the import options, system information, the import option, and the theme option. So, like install sample data is here where you have to import the demo content, and the theme options gives you the control over the basic things that you can configure for your website, like general options, the post type, jobs, enable admin. So you can enable and disable the things that you don't want to show, like you can enable the jobs and the type services, the projects. So it is or toggle method, so you can simply choose what you actually want to make available at the front end of the website. Similarly, we have companies options, the freelance service options, the project options, payment options, payout options, social network, login registered, and all such things. So you have the complete control through the theme options panel for your website. Next, we have the file and employer section. This is a employer module, and it is a complete module in itself. So here the file and employer, like employer can put their data, and similarly we have option to add new companies, city, town, province, state, category, and the size. So you can add new company, just like filling the information and credentials of new company. So all these are very simple steps, and it is all with the default WordPress things. So you just need to fill the details and it will be live. And similarly, we have the employer section, the company section is here. So employer section, in the employer section, we have companies, packages, user packages, and all such things. So invoice, service orders, projects, and the project proposal, and the projects order. So if you want to have this complete access, I'll share the access for a moment, like thing, and we can be very helpful for your business website if you are using the Freelance WordPress theme through the video description link. Like you have to buy the theme, add the theme for .NET. You can join our mentor here under the iCreate program, who can help you in every manner through the live chats and understanding the things. So I'm just trying to show you the most basic things uh, and the customization options what is available in the theme. So similarly, next in the next module we have the freelance models module, and in the freelance module, we have multiple things like the city, town, and all the configuration that you may need to configure the freelance module, like years of experience, level of education, and all. Similarly, we have the Fiverr extension, the notification, the service dispute, project disputes, and all. And if we talk about the next module, Filan Builder is here. So it is header, footer, or mega menu builder. So you can edit the header or footer area, whatever you want, through this section or this module. Right? All such things, all next things are as common in a simple WordPress website. Moreover, the Elementor page builder is here to handle the front end content of your website. So, if we talk about the customization options like front end, so you can easily handle the page options and its content uh, through the Elementor page builder, and editing with Elementor is always been easy as you are working on the Word file. So, I think I don't need to show all these basic options that you can simply handle. My objective is to let you know what is available inside the theme and how you can proceed. So these are the things, and like the service listings can be seen here, and all the sections that remains available at the job board websites. So you can simply handle and the content using the uh, pencil icon. You can directly jump into the section that you want to edit, and you can simply change the images, text wherever you need. Now, the thing you might be thinking, how I easily set up this website. So I'll show you the easy setup of the website. Let me reset this website for you. I'll reinstall the theme and will show you all the steps through which you can also simply launch your website in just few minutes. If what you need a domain name, suitable domain name, and a WordPress optimized hosting plan. All you can avail at WP Themes website through the video description link. Don't worry, and we are here to help you through our iCreate program on the live chat. So, okay, so now it is reset and nothing is here. Even the basic theme is not here. Let me install the basic themes 2025, and now I'll install the theme for from fresh just to show you the simple steps. It is a very simple and smooth installation step. You just need to add the Felan WordPress theme using this upload theme option, and in the theme pack I'll show you what you get. So the theme directory, in the theme directory we have the main theme and the child theme, and the plugins we have the Felan framework and the licensing and documentation part. So here we need to use this falen.zip file for our installation purpose. So I'm using the falen.zip file, select and click on install now. It is really very simple. So I'm just focusing all types of users, even the novice users can easily set up all these things. So theme got installed, simply activate this, and upon activation you'll get this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So we just need to use simple and uh, very less number of plugins. So this is the beauty of theme, because we have very less dependency on external plugins. So I am selecting all, selecting install, and this process will install all the listed plugins. All plugins got installed, and even all plugins that we installed has been activated automatically. So we don't need to do anything. We can come back to the dashboard and we may proceed for demo content install and next steps. And I am here again as earlier I shown you. So all the things has been clearly installed and all the options are available. So to next we just need to go in the theme option, or the setup page is another thing. I must show you. Uh, Setup wizard introduction. Continue to page setup introduction, page setup done. This setup wizard will help you get started creating pages for so this is for page creations. What is necessary for a job posting, job management, and also we in the theme option we have the option like same things I have already shown you, like job option and all. And on the dashboard we have import option for demo content, and the importing demo is more than easy. In fact, the interface of demo import is really very helpful. Uh, so you just need to select what you want to import. Like if you are targeting job boards, you have to click on here, and if it is freelance, it is like here. So I am selecting freelance, and the installation goes at its own, and we just need to click here continue, and this is the interface, which is very interactive. And you need to wait here on this screen because this is connected to developer server, and it is bringing all the content at your website, the pages, the media items that I have already shown you. So show your patience here, don't disturb the process, and once the all the steps gets complete, you'll get the success message here on here, and you'll get the websites that you may target. So all is good with the Felan WordPress theme, and it is going to be a good selection if you are targeting a job board or freelance marketplace website. But this is not the only thing. You have all the options to compare, and as I said, you have hundreds of themes, the videos and all guides are here at WP Themes website. All can be read through the video description link. So don't wait, just start creating wonderful things using WordPress, and we are here to help you in all aspects. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.